In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Meet for online classes in a full step-by-step guide. Let's get started, shall we? First, head over to Google Calendar. This is where you'll organize your class schedule and meetings. If you're not already signed in, click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Then, log in with your Google account by entering your credentials. This will give you access to all the features Google Calendar has to offer. Now that you're logged in, it's time to create an event for your class. Click on the Create button. You'll see a pop-up window where you can fill in all the details for your class session. Start by naming your event with a clear title such as Math 101 Monday Session. Doing this makes it instantly recognizable for both you and your students. Next, you want to set the date and time for the class. Google Calendar gives you the flexibility to choose specific start and end times, so make sure this accurately reflects your class schedule. Adding guests is the next essential step. Here you can invite your students by entering their email addresses. This way, they'll receive an invitation directly in their inboxes. While you're at it, click Add Google Meet Video Conferencing. This not only generates a meeting link automatically, but also includes it in the invitation, making it convenient for everyone involved. After filling in all these details, hit Save. You'll be prompted to send an email invitation to your guests, so click Send to ensure they're notified. Clicking on this option means your students will receive the meeting link and all necessary information directly, decreasing the likelihood of confusion or missed classes. Once all that's done, click on the event you just created. Here, you can copy the meeting link if you need to share it in other ways, or if some students didn't receive the email invite. Alternatively, you can join the meeting directly from this screen. Now, let's dive into Google Meet. Go to the Google Meet website and sign in with your Google account. Once logged in, you can enter the meeting code or link to join the session you've just set up. Once you're in, configure your class settings to ensure a smooth experience. Adjust the settings to enable waiting rooms, determine who can share their screen, and decide whether to record the session. Recording is great for students who might miss the live class and need to catch up later. Finally, as your class time approaches, open your Google Meet link a few minutes early to manage student entry. You can admit students from the waiting room, greet them as they start joining in, and even take attendance using the participant list. As you conclude your class, summarize key points, perhaps assign some tasks, and let students know what to expect next. If you've recorded the session, you should share this with any students who were absent. Wrap up by ending the meeting properly. Afterward, you can send follow-up materials or announcements through Google Classroom or email. This will help keep everyone on the same page and well prepared for the next session. And there you have it. You've successfully set up